Hey, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2007 Honda Accord. Customer was complaining about some clunking under heavy braking or accelerating away from a stop sign. We took the vehicle for a drive, noticed it was in fact doing some of that. When we brought it in, we noticed that you could physically see the wheel moving forward and backward in the wheel well, which you can see from the video here. Upon inspection, we found that the lower control arm bushings were wore out. Advised the customers that that would need to be replaced in order to get rid of the clunk. Went ahead and did that for them, took it out for another test drive. Vehicle was quiet, no jerking or clunking under acceleration or braking. If you notice your vehicle making some strange sounds when you're doing those type of activities or hitting some bumps and it's making some noise, please feel free to give us a call. We do offer free inspections. My name's Dan. I look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.